So, like, how long have you been doing this whole thing with the people?
Okay, the podcast thing I've been doing from last a couple of weeks.
Okay,
Yeah.
that sounds interesting. Really interesting. Yeah.
Yes. Because ज़्यादातर जब बाइक टैक्सी करता है like शायद even like for the passenger even they might be bored
Yeah.
and even for the rider. So why not we can talk like there could be some knowledge exchange or just some experience, right?
Right.
It's more like that.
That's really interesting. I've never met like someone like that. Yeah. My name is Priyanshi and I work.
Are you new to Bangalore or you been?
Yeah, I moved to Bangalore like 10 months back.
अच्छा. So कैसा है Bangalore?
It's nice. I feel like the weather is really nice.
Okay.
That's what everyone says. And it's like a it's like a more expensive but lesser version of Delhi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So where are you from? आप कहाँ से?
I'm from Delhi.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Yeah.
So you like Bangalore the most or Delhi? Like
Delhi
how
is,
do
I
you-
feel like after Mumbai, Delhi is the best city in India.
अच्छा.
So definitely Delhi.
So how's your life in Bangalore? How's it going?
I have been just working really hard. I've tried to explore a little bit outside of Bangalore,
Okay.
Pondicherry and all. And I'm also a dancer, so I go to like dance classes on the
Okay.
weekends.
Okay, super.
Yeah.
And what makes you happy in life?
I what is happiness? So I don't know. I think happiness is a myth.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why do you say that? Like happiness is a myth. That's very unique answer I've ever got actually.
Because you can't be happy. I feel like a person cannot be happy because it always ends. So it doesn't matter. It's for only for a moment.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
So what do you think like what emotion stays then like apart from happiness?
Sorry.
What is the other emotion like that stays with with you like apart from happiness?
I think indifference is something that I've learned after coming to Bangalore.
Okay.
I feel like it's really important. If you want to live a life, you need to be indifferent.
But I think I've recorded around 60 plus podcasts so far.
Oh wow, that's
Yeah.
in like 2 weeks.
Huh.
That's crazy.
But actually, the interesting thing is I've never heard a person saying that happiness is a myth. I'm really curious. Like, can you like explain me more about it? Like the way you see it, or in what lens you see it? I didn't really understand that.
I think happiness is like a fleeting moment. It's our way of tricking ourselves into thinking that we're living a good life, but nobody really is. So the key is to just be indifferent to everything and have a logical approach to like anything and everything.
Okay.
That will just help you live.
That's actually really interesting.
Sorry.
No, I said that's really interesting. The way you say it, that's really interesting. So, what about you? Like, are you happy? Like, if you would say someone asked you, like, are you happy? Would you say what would you say for that?
I am living. I am not dead, so that's a good thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what are your hobbies?
I am a professional dancer. I've been doing Kathak for the last 11 years.
Oh wow, awesome.
Yeah.
So you've been practicing like Kathak?
Yeah. I wanted to pursue dance as a career,
Okay.
but I was like academically I was really smart from bachpan se. So
Okay.
I thought so like it was like paisa to job mein zyada hai. That's why I chose to go in this direction. So I
Acha.
just chose to go to corporate.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So for me, actually, I've always wanted to become a film director, like bachpan se.
Oh.
So I thought I was actually when I was working also, I worked for 2 years. So even for that 2 years, I was never happy with the job, even though it was a good paying work culture, सब अच्छा ही था.
Yeah.
But I wasn't happy with it.
Like you found it monotonous.
Because I wanted to do something towards my passion. Like
Right.
it is something evident, right? Like if someone has a dream, I mean, like mostly that's what I've observed.
Yeah.
it's really difficult to do 9 to 5 job. Maybe some people could manage me, or even maybe I could not manage it. So
Right.
after losing job, I decided not to work anymore. Whatever savings I had invested and made a mini series.
Yeah.
We went to a lot of film festivals, won awards and everything. New York, France, and everywhere.
Oh, that's really interesting. It takes a lot of guts to, change career paths. So I get it.
Yeah, maybe it is like that, but if you think in a like some logical sense or practical sense,
Yeah.
it's really difficult because I was having a good job, like I was having around 7 LPA,
Right.
and now I am running behind 500 600 rupees per day, which is fine. I'm okay doing this. I feel happy because through films, I always wanted to connect people, like inspire, motivation. So even when I'm doing Rapido, like when I started doing Rapido,
Yeah.
the major hope was to like I can talk to people, I can know people. So that's
Okay.
one of the main. It's like the main raw material for making a film.
Right.
So it's more like that.
Sounds really interesting.
So what do you think is really important in life?
I think uh, confidence is really important in life,
Okay.
and being, uh, as in like being confident in who you are, and just like being okay and accepting who you are. That I think is the most important thing in life.
Makes sense. That's very true.
What do you think is the most important thing in life?
I really don't know. That's why I keep asking.
Sorry.
I really don't know. Like that's why I keep asking people.
Oh.
Yeah.
So,
But I
but now
think-
that you have talked to, you said you have done like 60 podcasts. Have you made an opinion?
No, it's see, opinion is again like you get an inspire from some others reply. It's more like that. I
Right.
need to experience something, right? So, like to be honest, or if you want me to tell the truth, I really don't know. Like, what's the purpose of life, or what's really important in life?
Right.
All your life you run behind something. Like, बचपन में जब हम पढ़ाई करते हैं तो they tell you that after 10th life will be easy, and they say the same thing in your 11th, 12th and degree and everywhere.
Yeah,
Job जाने के बाद they tell you the same thing. It's like a rat race like all over.
yeah. That's true. That's so true.
I really don't know, but I think between all this, it's all about your. Maybe you should just feel like whatever you are, like if you feel that this is what I am and I'm happy with what I'm doing,
Yeah.
I think that's what it matters. Like maybe you could say it like following your passion.
That sounds really good. Yeah. Where are you from?
I am from Bangalore.
Oh, you're from Bangalore only.
Yes,
Your
I was-
accent, yeah, like your Hindi accent doesn't do justice to your geographical location.
No. मैं केंद्रीय विद्यालय में पढ़ा था. My father is a central government employee.
Oh.
So all my schooling, my education was from CBSE. So सब दोस्तों ज़्यादातर I have North Indians like UP, Maharashtra and all over.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. Also it's Bangalore, right? Like
Yeah, a lot
you
of
would
people
get-
here.
हाँ.
It's very versatile.
Exactly, it's very versatile. So I actually know like I know Tamil. My mother tongue is Telugu actually.
Okay.
I know Tamil, Telugu, Kannada. Like I've born in Bangalore, so Kannada is like it's one of your major language.
Right.
So Hindi and English is basic. So it's like that.
That's nice. They're really interesting.
So what do you think about this? What I'm doing now, like this podcast?
I think it's. I have seen that guy who does the cab interview thing. And this. So you're the second person that I have seen doing this. So I think it's really interesting, and it takes a lot of guts and confidence to just go all out like this. So kudos to you.
Thank you so much. But The thing is, actually, I'm really a shy person. I'm an introvert. So that's been like troubling me from my childhood and even now. Like to pitch your project to your producers, investors, or talk to your clients.
Yeah.
I feel really difficult to do that because I'm not comfortable talking to people. So I wanted to break that barrier. So that's why I started doing Rapido. One of the reasons.
Oh.
So I could talk to
I'm
people.
sure it's helping.
Yeah, I hope. Yeah, it is. It is helping. It is helping. Yes. So, what is one thing that you would change in Bangalore? Anything that if you want to change?
I think the roads here are like, even the highways are 1 arm long. So 1 arm wide, 1 arm wide. So I think that's something that I would like to change. Because with all the traffic and everything, even the metro connectivity is so bad. So it either the roads need to be better or the connectivity needs to be better.
अरे आप तो दिल्ली से हो. Delhi is like
Yeah,
it has a really good metro connection, right?
yeah,
यहाँ
exactly.
पे जी यहाँ पे metros are still getting constructed.
Yeah, because so it takes me around 40 minutes, 45 minutes to reach my office on a normal day. And then
Okay.
I went to my office on like Labor Day, and because Labor Day ki wajah se there was no traffic at all, and it took me like 15 minutes to reach. So that's how bad the traffic is.
Yes, yes. I actually really get frustrated sometimes, but क्या करे? There is no other way. Like maximum, this is what like people say. Bangalore is one of the major drawback is its transportation mode and
Yeah.
the roads.
That's so true.
Yeah.
Plus, I lost my earphones recently, and I
Okay.
haven't ordered new ones yet. So whenever I'm on the Rapido or Uber, I'm just thinking about, I'm just looking at the person driving, and I'm just judging them because I know how to drive, and I'm just thinking in my mind, I can drive better. I can drive better.
Okay, what do you think about my driving?
I think you are a lifesaver because I'm really late, and I told you to drive really fast, and you are.
No, no, actually my bike has some problem. Like it doesn't have a proper brake in the front side.
Oh.
If not, we could go much more like faster.
Oh.
Yeah. So, what is one thing that you're really proud of yourself? That could be a skill or anything it could be.
I think I've always been really ambitious, and I love working. I work like 13 hours every day, and I love it. I love not having a work-life balance. So
Okay.
that's something I really like about myself. I feel like when I put my mind to something, I do it.
Super. That's really nice. Actually, that's the one like usually the IT people who work here, that's the one they want to conquer. Like that's the one they want to get balanced. So anything you want to add or anything you want to say for this?
I really like talking to you, and I hope whatever you're doing, and whatever your goals are, you're able to achieve them, because I really like this whole concept, and I feel like it's unique and it's creative and it's not really explored.
Okay.
So best of luck. It was great to talk to you. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. It means a lot.